Hello friends, welcome to Java World channel. So in today's video we will learn about if conditional statements. So let's start learning if else if and if else conditional statements. How can we use that? So its syntax is like this: if, then we need to write some condition over here, then we need to write the if block, then we need to write the else block is not compulsory to write, right? So this is its syntax. Here we need to write some condition like let me declare one variable integer marks is equal to 60. Okay, so I wanted to check whether marks are greater than 50 or not. So marks greater than, I want to check marks greater than 35 or not. So marks greater than 35, then I wanted to print pass. If marks less than 35, in that case I wanted to print fail. So this is just a simple if else block. So here when our program will execute, let me run the program. So it will give us in output pass. So it's check over here that if value of marks greater than 35, then it will execute the code inside these two curly braces. So here we have system.out.println pass, we have print pass. So it has given us in output in console pass. So if this condition is false, like let me set its value 34 and run the program again, so it gives us failed in output. So this condition doesn't get true, it's false in this case if the value is 34. So in that case the execution goes inside this else block. Our program executes from top to bottom in sequential manner. So here it will first check over here. If the condition gets true, then only it will go inside the if block. If the condition false, then it will go inside the else block. You can also write curly braces like these or like this way. Okay, now I wanted to check if marks are greater than 35 but less than 50, then in that case I want to print some class like C class, B class, A, like I wanted to print a grade, C grade, B grade, A grade, something like that. So in that case we need to check multiple condition in if, right? So if marks greater than 35 and less than 50, so in that case we can use logical AND operator. So here double AND is a logical AND operator. So here I am writing another condition less than or equal to 50. So if value of marks will be greater than 35 and marks will be less than or equal to 50, in that case we will give C class, C grade. Okay, same way we need to write multiple condition if we wanted to print another grade as well, like if marks greater than 50 and less than 70, less than 75, in that case we wanted to print B grade. So here we will print a B grade. Same way, so here we have used else if. So else if this condition fails, then the execution will come inside this else if block and it will check the condition inside this else if block, this else if parenthesis, like means these two are parentheses, this and this. So whatever conditions are written inside these two parentheses, if all conditions are get true, then and only then the execution will come inside these curly braces, means this else if block, then it will print B grade. Same way we can write a third condition if value greater than equal to 75 and less than or equal to 100, then we will give A grade. Okay, else we will print fail or invalid. Okay, so let's just give some proper value, means more marks to particular student like 80 and run the program. So it gives A grade because the execution will go from top to bottom. First it will check these, so condition gets false. Here it will execution will go inside these else if, then also the condition false, and then the execution comes at this level and the condition gets true because the value 80 is between 75 and 100, so it prints A in output. Okay, same way, if same way like we can, here we have used logical or AND operator. Same way we can also use the logical OR operator like these. Like I wanted to print give a specific value like greater than 100, greater than 100 or less than 35. So here I wanted to give like if marks are greater than 100 or marks less than 35. In that case we wanted to print fail or invalid. Okay, else something wrong. Okay, so here we give value 50 and let's print. So it gives C grade. So our execution go inside this block, right? And now let me give it a value 111. So execution will go inside this because marks is go greater than 100. Here in this else if block we have used logical OR operator. So here the logical OR operator base condition is like if this condition or this condition, any one condition gets true, then the execution will come inside this block. But for all the above else if block, both the condition needs to be true. Marks must be greater than 50, marks must be less than 70. Like this both condition needs to be true in this else if block, in this else if block as well. Then and only then the execution goes inside the respective else if block. But here in this else if block we have used the logical OR operator. In that case any one condition needs to be true to execute the statements inside this else if block. Okay, so this way we can use the if else if in Java programs, and this way we can use multiple operator like greater than, less than equal to, logical AND, logical OR operator. We can use any number of logical AND operator in if else if block. Like this time we have used only single logical AND operator, but that way we can use many times many logical operators for multiple variables. Many times we can use the logical AND, many times we can use the logical OR for conditions in our respective if else if statements. So this way we can utilize if else if in our Java program. I hope guys you might have understand how we can utilize if else if in our Java program. If you have any queries or questions, so please give your queries or questions in comments, and also give your likes to my videos, and also do not forget to subscribe my channel to learn Java end to end. So I will see you later on in the next video for in the next video we will learn something new about Java. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching the video. Thank you. Bye.